Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Real-Time AI, making your AI respond instantly, every time. Imagine your AI isn't just smart, but lightning fast. It's like having a super smart friend who answers your questions before you even finish asking them. Real-time AI is all about making your AI models react instantly to new information, giving you immediate results. No waiting, no delays, just instant intelligence. Every time. As a developer, this means building systems that can process data and make decisions in milliseconds. Fast can mean minutes or seconds. Real-time means milliseconds. Think of a self-driving car. It can't wait a few seconds to decide if a pedestrian is there. It needs to know now. For us developers, this means our AI needs to process data as it arrives, not in batches later. It's like listening to a live radio broadcast versus downloading a podcast. One is happening right now, the other happened sometime in the past. Where do you see this magic? Self-driving cars. Instantly recognizing obstacles and making decisions. Fraud detection. Your bank instantly flags a suspicious transaction as it happens. Chatbots and voice assistants. Responding to your questions without delay. Personalized recommendations. Instantly suggesting the next product or movie based on your current activity. As developers, these are the kinds of immediate, impactful experiences we aim to build. Building real-time AI is like being a chef in a super busy restaurant. Orders, new data, come in constantly, and you need to cook, process with AI, and serve, make a decision, take action, instantly. If you're slow, customers get angry, users get frustrated or systems fail. Our challenge is to set up a kitchen, our AI system, that can handle a continuous stream of ingredients, data, and deliver perfectly cooked dishes. AI responses. In a blink. To achieve this speed, we need two main things. 1. Data streams. Instead of collecting data in big chunks, we need a way for data to flow continuously. Like a river. Think of sensors on a car or user clicks on a website, they generate a constant stream of information. 2. Nimble AI models. Our AI models can't be huge, slow to think giants. They need to be lean and efficient, capable of making quick decisions. Sometimes this means using simpler models or optimizing complex ones to run faster. As developers, we'll learn to manage these data flows and optimize the right models. How do we actually build this? Event-driven architecture. Our systems react to events, like a new sensor reading or a user typing a message, as they happen. This means our code isn't waiting. It's always listening and ready to spring into action. Streaming platforms. Tools like Apache Kafka. We'll simplify this concept later. Help us manage those continuous data rivers. Model optimization. We might use techniques like quantization, making models smaller and faster without losing too much accuracy, or deploy models closer to where data is generated. Edge AI. As a developer, you'll be connecting these pieces. Achieving instant responses often comes with trade-offs. Latency. The delay from input to output. We want this as close to zero as possible. Throughput. How much data our system can handle per second. Can it keep up with the river? Reliability. Does it always work, even under heavy load? Sometimes. Making a model super fast might mean a tiny compromise in accuracy. Or it might require more powerful and expensive hardware. As developers, we'll learn to balance these factors to meet our project's needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.